In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Typeform to your email for an easy integration in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a business owner looking to streamline your communication processes or simply someone who values efficiency, this tutorial will guide you through every step of the way, ensuring you can seamlessly integrate your Typeform responses with your email. To begin, let's first navigate to the Typeform website. You can do this by simply opening your preferred web browser and typing in www.typeform.com. Typeform is renowned for its user-friendly forms and surveys, offering a clean and intuitive interface that makes the process a breeze. Once you've landed on their homepage, the next step is logging into your account. So go ahead and click on the Login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your username and password, and just like that, you're in. Now that you're logged in, it's time to head over to your Typeform workspace. This is where all your forms and projects are stored, and you can access it by clicking on your account profile, which will direct you to the workspace dashboard. Here you'll see an array of forms you've created or have been shared with you. Next, choose the specific form you want to connect to your email. Simply scroll through the list or use the search bar to quickly find it. Once you've found your preferred form, click on it to open up its settings and customization options. This is where the real magic begins. From here, you want to add content to your form. So locate and click on the Add Content option. This allows you to modify and enhance your form with various fields and questions, tailoring it to suit the information you require from your respondents. Among the selection of fields, look for the email option and click on it. By doing so, you're instructing the form to collect email addresses from anyone who fills it out, a crucial step for the integration we're setting up. To ensure that no submissions lack this important piece of information, click on Required. This means that participants must provide their email addresses before they can submit the form. Making the email field required ensures you capture all necessary contact information, preventing incomplete submissions. And there you have it. Within just a few easy steps, you've connected your Typeform to an email requirement, paving the way for swift and effective communication with your audience. Remember, by leveraging these tools, you're simplifying how you gather and organize information, which can ultimately enhance your workflow and productivity. Thanks for tuning in. And if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out other tips to optimize your digital interactions.